Pillow wrapping machine and cartoning machine linkage line is a professional packaging for pastries, chocolate, coffee, bread, candy, blister, plasticine, soap, masks and other products in the food, medicine, cosmetics, stationery and other industries. The linkage line adopts PLC, inverter, servo motor, rotary encoder, photoelectric sensor control, touch screen display, advanced control, reduced labor, high efficiency and stable performance. The pillow wrapping machine adopts 3 sets of servo motor control. The bag length can be set, and it can be cut accurately, saving time and film. Cartoning machine adopts PLC control, photoelectric monitoring of the movement of each component. If any abnormality is found during operation, it can automatically stop and display the cause, and eliminate the fault in time. The machine has a multiple detection and rejection system. The product and carton are detected by sensors, and the batch number is printed and sealed before output. During the inspection process, waste products, no product, empty bags are found at the exit to ensure that the product quality fully meets the qualified requirements. This linkage line can be linked with automatic glue spraying machine, cellophane wrapping machine, case packer machine and other machines. This machine is for packaging cakes. If you are interested, please contact us.